Moss stitch is a lovely stitch for any knitting project. It comprises two stitches, a purl and a knit, purl and a knit stitch. The front is exactly the same as the back. It's ideal if you start with an even number of stitches and you'll be knitting a knit, purl, knit, purl, knit, purl, and then when you turn your work over, you'll be doing the opposite. You'll be doing a knit, purl, knit, purl, knit, purl. So let's get started. So the first one, I need to do a knit, bring the wool around, take your first stitch off. Now, to be able to do the next stitch, we know that that's a purl. So we move the yarn forward so we can now go into a purl stitch. We know that this one needs to be a knit, so we move the wool back and we knit. Purl, knit,